Here's something your bank will never say out loud. Your savings account might actually be making you poorer right now. Seriously. You look at that balance. It's growing. But is it keeping up with how fast prices are rising? Spoiler, for most people, it is not. Inflation is not a future problem. It is happening right now, and it does not care how comfortable your savings account looks. Run the real math. If your account pays 4.5%, inflation is at 5.2%, and you pay tax on interest, your net real return is negative. You are losing ground every month. And your bank? They designed it this way. The more money sits still, the more they profit from it, while you think you're playing it safe. The good news is, there are options at similar risk levels that actually beat inflation after tax. Most people just never look because they feel too comfortable. Time is the real currency here. Every year your money sits still costs you compounding growth you will never get back. That's the real loss nobody shows you. The savings account trap is comfortable. That's exactly why it works. Comfort is not the same as safety when it comes to building wealth. That is useful? Hit subscribe. I break down this kind of thing every week. See you in the next one.